Minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome back to Kids Anatomy. Today, we are going to learn about partial verbs in Japanese, specifically how to form them from Group 1 verbs. Do you want to be able to tell others that you can speak Japanese fluently? Let's find out how. So what exactly are potential verbs? Potential verbs are used to express a bit opposite. Simply, it can translate to can or be able. For example, I can speak fluently. So how say that in Japanese? Let's see. Group 1 verbs are the verbs that end usually with U sound. For example, kaku, nomu. To make it potential verb, we should remove the U sound and find out the corresponding A sound and then add to it. Finally, we should add row letter at the end. For example, we will take kaku. We should remove the O sound and then add the corresponding A sound, and that is K. Finally, we add ru letter. So the potential verb for kaku is kakeru. To help you understand better, let's look at the table that shows the corresponding A sound for each U sound. To make it easier, here's a summary table showing the dictionary form and potential form of some common group 1 verbs. Now, let's practice with some sentences. Today, we learned how to form and use potential verbs in Japanese for group 1 verbs. Remember the 3 steps. Remove the U, change it to corresponding A sound, and add ru. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Japanese lessons. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Mata ne!